The 2009 Lexus LX 570. This is the set of wheels you've been looking for. Get more for your money with this vehicle that features low mileage and dependability. With a powerful 8-cylinder engine that responds smoothly to its 6-speed automatic transmission. GPS navigation will guide you to your destination. Premium wheels give a more luxurious look. Treat yourself to the splendor of a premium sound system. The anti-lock braking system will keep you safe on the road. Heated seats make cold weather driving more endurable. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles. Call us today to start test driving.